Hello, this is Elizabeth Shumagal from the Academic Support Center at Raritan Valley Community College. Just going over some of, this is the final lesson in the unit on circles, chapter 13.1, and this particular problem is completing the squares, which is a little bit more complex than the other problems that we went over. Again, this is a video 3 in a 3-part series. If you have questions that you're still not sure about, please refer to the other videos and then reach out to us if you need help. So we have this equation. This is number 74 in your textbook. X squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 4y is equal to -3. We want to graph this. Well, we have this x squared and this y squared, and we know that it's probably some sort of circle, but it doesn't look like up here is our standard format for a circle. It's not in that form, so we need to get it in that form. Now, to get it in that form, we need to do a process called completing the squares. I'm going to go through this one example here. If you need more examples, there's lots of websites out there. I like Khan Academy. I know some of my colleagues like Organic Chem Tutor. But if you look up completing the square, there's going to be a lot of examples in there. So if this seems completely foreign to you, watch it a couple of times, watch other videos. I'm going to go through this one example here. So I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to put x squared minus 4x. I'm going to leave a space. And this is my plus y squared plus 4y. Again, I'm leaving a space and equals -3. Okay? To complete the square, we need to take this middle term here. This middle term is our -4x. So we're going to take the coefficient, -4. We're going to divide that by 2. That equals -2. We want to design the square so it becomes x minus 2 squared. So to do that, we have to square this -2. When we square -2, -2 times -2 becomes 4. So this is going to become a plus 4. Okay. Now we can't just add 4 to the one side. We have an equality. So we have to, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So we're going to add a 4 to this side as well. Okay. Again, with this the y portion of it, again, we're going to, this is a plus 4, plus. We're going to divide this middle term, this 4, this middle coefficient, this 4 that precedes our y. We're going to divide this 4 by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay? Then we're going to square that. When we square 2, 2 times 2 becomes 4. Again, whatever we do to one side, we have to do the other, so we have another plus 4 over here. Okay, so now we've set this up so that we have 2 complete squares. So this portion over here, we've designed this so that it's x minus 2 squared. Okay, so and you can FOIL this out. You can prove this to yourself, but this becomes this x squared is our x minus whatever term we squared to get our final term, our c term, is going to go here, and that's all squared. I'm going to do the same thing with our y. If we factored this out, we would have y squared. If we factor this, this becomes y plus 2 squared. Again, this term that we got when we divided our middle term is going to be what comes here. Okay? And then this is -3 plus 4 would be 1 plus 4 is going to equal 5. So all of this is equal to 5. Now we have something that looks like our circle formula. We have x minus something squared plus y minus something squared equals r squared. So now if we take a look at this, we can say our center, our h component is going to be 2, and our y component is going to be -2. So y minus -2 becomes y plus 2. And our radius squared is equal to 5. So our radius is equal to the square root of 5. And if we plug this into our calculator, this is approximately equal to 2.24. Okay? So the trick here is getting this into the form, getting our original equation into something that looks like our circular equation by completing the square. We can go ahead and plot this now. We have our center point is 2, -2, so 1, 2, -2 puts us here. This is our center. Well, that's really thin. Let's see. This is our center. And again, as we did in the other examples, we have 2.24. So we're going to go up 2.24, over 2.24, down 2 1/4 or so, over 1, 2 1/4, and then we can draw this circle, roughly. Okay. So that's completed the square. We are part of the Academic Support Center at Raritan Valley Community College. We're here to help. If you have additional questions or need more help, please feel free to reach out to us. During the COVID-19 shutdown, we are available for online appointments and can be reached via email, and those emails are on our website. And afterwards, we're here in person when things go back to normal at the Academic Support Center. Thank you.